Step into the world of Escher Quilt Patterns, inspired by M.C. Escher's mind-bending artwork. These quilts blend geometry and art, creating mesmerizing designs that play delightful tricks on the eyes. M.C. Escher was a Dutch artist known for his impossible structures and optical illusions. Quilters have taken his concepts and translated them into fabric, creating designs that challenge traditional quilt making and push creative boundaries. Escher Quilt Patterns feature interlocking geometric shapes, optical illusions, and designs that seem to defy reality. They offer both experienced quilters and newcomers a chance to create unique projects that are visually stunning and intellectually stimulating. Let's explore 3 free Escher Quilt patterns available online. First, we have the Escher Quilt by Judith Newman. This intermediate-level pattern creates an illusion of impossible interlocked elements using a simple piecing technique. The finished quilt measures 53 inches by 67 inches and uses vibrant cafe facet collective fabrics. Next is the Gokube 6-inch Escher Quilt by AccuQuilt. This wall hanging combines light and dark fabrics in a dynamic design featuring patchwork squares, half-square triangles, quarter-square triangles, and parallelograms. The finished quilt measures 48.5 inches square. The third free pattern is the Color Junction Quilt. This pattern comes with a video tutorial by Carol Thelen, making it ideal for visual learners. The tutorial provides tips and tricks for achieving a striking 3-dimensional effect. Escher Quilt Patterns offer a captivating blend of art and mathematics, inviting quilters to explore the world of optical illusions and tessellations. Whether you're looking to challenge your quilting skills or create a conversation piece, these patterns provide an opportunity to stitch up a masterpiece that will leave viewers questioning reality. Embrace the challenge and let your imagination run wild with Escher Quilt Patterns. Want to delve deeper into the mesmerizing world of Escher quilts? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for more mind-bending designs.